Well, let's get right into it. This is a 10-inch bob. It's 13 by 4, 150% density. The lace is transparent. It comes pre-plucked, and the color is natural black. Inside the box, you got your wig cap, your standard care instructions. Okay, I love the new box. So this is how she looks up close. Ooh, silky, super smooth. Now it is 10 inches. Okay. Now this is how it looks inside. You got your standard lace, your standard combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the front, 1 in the back. However, this comes with a elastic band, y'all. What? So as you can see, my ball cap is already done. I just did a regular old school ball cap. Just put it on, made sure my ears was out, sprayed the holding spray until it was hard. You know, I didn't do nothing fancy because it's still going to look good, you know. So now I'm just going to cut away the excess ball cap, put the makeup on, and do the installation. All right, let's get to it. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. I don't want you to miss none of my videos. And don't forget to comment. I would love to see what you want me to do next.